This is the second bag I've gotten on StockX, way under retail, US retail, France retail, just retail in general. There's no way they, like, I think this is a scam stolen bag from me, scammed from me, the second of two. StockX shopping, StockX, Goyard grabbing, StockX shopping, Goyard grabbing, StockX shopping. This is part 2 of my StockX journey, but I'm going to do a full StockX video about everything that all the good and the bad and the ugly issues I've had with StockX so far. But today we're just doing a quick StockX unboxing, which is part 2 of my StockX unboxings and also part 2 of my StockX unboxings, but also a little bit into the whole Prada fraud, which I'm still dealing with that fraud because I'm literally just a fraud scam, a scam magnet, a scam slut, a fraud fame. Okay. More on that later. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, shit, and today I'm a StockX shopper. So this is the second bag I've gotten from StockX. After going through 4 or 5 failed StockX attempts to get a bag, and this is part of my whole Prada conspiracy theory idea that I have, that the guy that I bought the Goyard bags from that worked at Prada, who's supposed to bring them to me, and if there's a whole video about it, I'll talk about it. Anyway, we're gonna do I go all over the place. We're gonna do a StockX unboxing, and then I'm gonna talk about the StockX experience. I'm gonna talk a little bit about the StockX experience, about the StockX unboxing, and talk about the Prada Guy. But I have videos of both those, also full-length videos explaining this. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing, keep on watching. So I got this on StockX, way under retail. This is the second bag I've gotten on StockX, way under retail, US retail, France retail, just retail in general. There's no way there's no way this would normally ever be sold at this price, brand new. So it's a question of, is it fake, which StockX has an authentication process, so I'm hoping it's not, or is it stolen or scammed? And I think this is a scam stolen bag from me, the second of 2, because the Prada guy was supposed to give me 2 bags from Prada, from Goyard. The Prada bag was supposed to give me a couple of bags from Goyard. The bags that he got me were listed on StockX the day that he got them for me, way under retail, way under the lowest asking price. This bag is asking price is like $3,500 or something like that. And this one was listed at like 17. So I got it for like 17 plus tax, and thing ended up being like 19, which is still under France price too. Also, there were so many delays in shipment with this. It had so many shipment delays because it was coming from the Netherlands, which also feeds to my theory that it's coming from France. And it shipped the same time as the other bag that I unboxed, the first Artois that I unboxed, the black and brown one. And it came, not this one, I'll go get it. It came at the same time, and both way under retail, and both from the abroad. Now again, this could be nothing, but it's just part of my theory. And this is the second of many bags I've gotten from StockX that I've attempted to get from StockX recently. I've been trying to buy bags on StockX because, you know, everything's going on. So it got stuck at customs for like 5 days. They wouldn't let it through. They require manufacturer info or something like that, and they weren't getting it from StockX. Also, I had requested a partial refund on this, and so when I requested the partial refund on it, because I had a coupon for $100, so I was using the coupon for $100, so it ended up being, I think it was like $1,900 at the end, so it was going to be $2,000. The coupon, the way the person coded it, which I've done before on the first bag, they gave the refund after and it was fine, but this one they coded it the wrong way or whatever. They put the refund and it triggered that the whole thing was refunded, so it moved out of my like sales history, so they couldn't find the bag. The bag was not like anywhere on my StockX profile or whatever, so I had to like go back and forth forever dealing with this, which was really freaking annoying. Yeah, $17.69, $159 in sales tax, $88 processing fee, and $19.95 shipping, which, you know, probably covers like the customs and things like that. So it's a high processing fee. So it was $20.37, and then I had a $100 coupon, so it ended up being $19.37. There's so much drama with this bag. Again, this is a bag that I was supposed to get in France from the guy from Prada, for my cousin, my dad's older sister's daughter, Shruti. Hey, Shruti. My dad's older sister's daughter. Hey, Shruti. So I was supposed to get it for her from this guy that guy ended up being a scam or whatever. The bag got taken at customs. Whole other video about that. I didn't end up getting the bag. So, but I saw this online, and when I thought he was starting to be really itchy, I saw this online and I saw it wasn't sold. So I just bought it to see, to, you know, double down. So here it is. Let's see what we think, our initial impressions. So this one's pretty good. This is the, let's see. Just want to make sure I got everything. It's a little pochette, okay. So it looks like it was like stepped on, weird. So this is the PM Artois, which also is a very hard bag to get. Just like the other PM Artois I just got. Like I said, I will do a comparison. I can do a comparison of this gray versus gray. It looks a little like it's been through the ringer. That's peeling off already, but looks pretty good. We're gonna do a couple of checks. I can actually compare it to the other one to see how we feel about it. I mean, it feels like StockX has a pretty rigorous process, but again, I don't know for sure, because this is my, you know, very early attempts with buying with them. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not bad. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, overall, it looks pretty good. Let's check the ear. It's missing the little zippy thing right here, which is kind of annoying, but whatever. Okay, we're gonna check the inside. I'm gonna bring the other one out so we can compare them. (2023) 5/2023. Same date code as the other one. I'm gonna email StockX and ask them what they use to authenticate Goyard, because I'm actually curious to see what they use and how they tell, and if it's right. Because I honestly can't tell about this, and I don't know if it's a good or a bad. So yeah, I mean, I honestly can't tell about this, and I don't know if it's a good or a bad. So we're gonna do a comparison to the same size, and we're gonna do a comparison to the same color. So color-wise, this one looks a little darker and a little lighter, but I mean, there are always little variations in them, so that doesn't bug me too much. Let's see how the Goyard looks comparatively. Looks the same, the colors look the same, shades of gray. It's not too bad. I still think this is good. Okay, now let's compare these pops. Okay. Same size, same shape. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, I'm comparing them to each other, which they're both from StockX, so I mean, there shouldn't be discrepancies. They're both Goyard if they're both authentic, but then there could be the same exact. They could be the same exact thing because they're both fake, and they also came from the same person. Conspiracy theory. What do we think? I don't know. I'm in my new age of purchasing from StockX. This is what my life has come to. I mean, look. It feels a little used. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, this one feels a lot better, but it is dated May 2023, so it can't be that old. Like, it literally cannot be that old, right? This feels right. A lot of it feels right, so it feels right inside. And it's very cute. This is a very cute little martois, right?
I don't know. Food for thought, something to think about. I haven't decided yet.
But I'm gonna do a whole video about the drama of all of these soon. I have a whole video about the drama of Stockx. I have a whole video about the drama of my Prada Poppy purchasing. One of 3 scams that I have been scammed I deal with. I'm literally, you guys, I think once this is all resolved, like I need to take a big break from buying and all of this in general. I'm not gonna get any more anythings because I think that I need to just, like, first of all, the shopping problem is like, it's really a problem. Like, I'm spending a lot of money and I need to figure out a way to like actually use the stuff that I get. I'm so like, I just buy the things and then I don't use them. They just stay there. They look pretty and they look nice and I just use the same 5 things. Anyway, okay, I'll do a comparison video. Actually, I'll do a comparison video of like this to this, and like I'll do a comparison video of that to that, and I'll do all those kind of things with this. But
I think it is real.
yeah, I'm gonna go with real. Real cute, real small, real fake. No, just kidding. Okay, that's all I got. I'll do more up on this later. I'm trying to keep videos short and do a bunch of little bites so I can do a video a day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. If you like me, if you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please. Or if you like me, please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your internet exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your time with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, bye, bye.